Abstract art is art that is made up of forms and shapes that exist only in the thoughts, the ideas, and the feelings of the artist. It doesn't exist in our reality, nothing that you can actually see. It's art that's made up of our ideas and our feelings, but not something that looks like what we can see in reality. One of the most famous abstract artists was Pablo Picasso. Here is a portrait of his wife Jacqueline, and you see her photo on the left, the reality, and his abstraction, his own ideas, his feeling about her, on the right. Now let's take a look at the work of an artist, James Williams, who is a North Carolina artist. He is a teacher and lives at the coast. He does abstract painting, and you can see from his work here the giant electrical towers coming out of the water, the real image of that, a photo, and on the right hand side his abstract painting, his feelings, his ideas, the way that that image makes him feel on the right. This is an image of a work of art in his studio, and you can see the scale of his work, or the size compared to a person, is really, really big on the left-hand side. And then one of my very favorite pieces that he's done on the right is an arrangement of Converse tennis shoes. And somewhat abstract, but you can see that he is bringing in more of the real form, something that you can recognize from our reality. Let's see if we can do an abstract drawing today. I'll show you step by step. First, I'm going to draw some lines on my paper. I thought of them as maybe cracks in a mirror or a broken glass. It shatters and makes things fragmented. Draw those lines on your paper in pencil. Then figure something that you would like to abstract, that you would like to use that's from reality. I'm using my feet. I'm looking down at my feet and drawing those in many different ways all around in the segments on my paper. Next, I'm going to use a Sharpie marker, and I'm going to go over all of the drawing that I've made on my paper, and it makes a nice dark outline. After that, I'm going to fill in with some chalk pastels. I chose colors that made it look like James Williams bright colors because I love his work and I wanted to be influenced by his color. After that, I'm going to use a small object that is a rolled up paper, and I'm going to blend in the colors and press it down into the paper and makes it stick. Let's take a look at the finished product. I hope you enjoy learning a little bit about abstract art and making your own abstract drawing with chalk pastel and Sharpie marker.